Ôi em Hạ.
Thôi.
Ê thì tiền không?
Dạ. Nó theo cô.
Hả?
Theo cô.
Đúng mà. Rasa demi lagi. Tờ phải sang lại cái tờ phải đâm miệng á mà ham sia ham rồi đấy vậy man kam nó tết tao Nigro man mà đất quả băm ra tết ông em băm ra nó là suni mà chân niệm cái năm kam nó đấy phải nglàm lại cái tờ mà học lại mà
Tapi lại sợ. Aku kurita Nigro teaching ni. Tanya oitio teachment. Ala kudu oitio. Hey.
Yasmin, what happened?
Tanya na thiêu nga stay.
What?
Thi.
Where?
Thì tên nè ô tanya. Thì nè. Thì ô tanya. Le.
You're afraid to sleep.
Okay,
Okay, miss, let's go.
Le.
What about if I was bad enough, then I'm done, man. Okay, miss, I'm coming.
Mày thi tên à? Thi nè, thi.
Oh.
Mà.
Oh my God. If my bro is coming, then I'm done, man. What's wrong with this wife? Why is calling me here? Okay, no problem. I will sleep here. Just for tonight, anyway. Oh, it's already 12 p.m. Oh my God, man. I have to practice it now. Isn't Miss sleeping or what? Yeah. Today I'm going the slow version. I don't know what is the problem in my life. So many painful things that I got, but I try so hard. I don't know where this way. When I reach in this place, okay. Yeah, sometimes I feel like I fall down from the sky, but I don't know how to say it, so I don't know why. It's my name that is so blank like in the paper. I try to write with the pen, but you get an eraser. Yo, it's like the bleed cutting down my body. It's a come from the blood, oh everybody see. I feel like I'm a harassment or the bully. When they come to me and sit on a speedy, read it from the mouth and read it from the right. The message is coming, I don't know how to write. I try to be doing the laws in Los Angeles, in the lost, in the train lost. And you know, when they got into the blood cream, 6 shot and it is a work casing. There's it go, one of butter on a prototype. Hand me magical way so it can't waste the light. Miss, what are you doing here?
No.
Are you boring? Okay, come. I'll sing for you. Come. Take a seat, miss.
Hey. Mẹ nè. Em.
No, miss. I'm not married yet. I don't even have a girlfriend. Not for you, miss. I mean to say that. You say, man, it is so difficult. Do you understand the sign language?
Yeah.
You got it right.
No.
Okay. Okay, miss, I understand. Because you miss your husband, right? Mean you miss your husband? Husband? Then why? Why you can't sleep, miss? Okay, miss, I'll play a song for you, okay? What is this song called, man? Do you understand my language?
Yeah.
Do you understand my language?